Is your Vizio Smart TV not opening YouTube or apps? Don't worry, this is a common issue and I'll show you how to fix it fast. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Let's get your TV working again. This problem usually happens because of unstable internet, incorrect network settings, outdated software, or system glitches inside SmartCast. Sometimes even small things like wrong time settings can break app connections. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Do a proper power reset. Turn off your TV and unplug it. Wait 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button on the TV for 10 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. This clears hidden system bugs. Step 2. Fix your internet setup. Make sure your router and TV are in the same room or at least close enough for a strong signal. Weak Wi-Fi causes apps like YouTube to fail instantly. Now restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Step 3. Turn on DHCP. Go to your TV's network or internet settings, find the IP settings, and make sure DHCP is enabled. If DHCP is off, your TV might not get a proper IP address, which blocks apps from loading. Step 4. Check date and time settings. Go to System Settings and make sure your time and date are correct and set to automatic. If the time is wrong, YouTube servers may reject the connection. Step 5. Refresh SmartCast system. Press the input button and switch between HDMI inputs a few times, then go back to SmartCast. This forces the system to reload apps and often fixes loading issues instantly. Step 6. Clear memory overload. Disconnect any unused devices from your TV like USB drives or HDMI devices. Too many active connections can slow down the system and cause apps to crash. Step 7. Update your TV software. Go into Settings and check for updates. Install any available updates. This fixes compatibility issues with apps like YouTube. Step 8. Change DNS settings for a stronger connection. Go to Network Settings and manually set DNS to 8888 or 1111. This can improve connection stability and fix app loading problems. Step 9. Perform a soft reset. Go to System Settings and choose Reboot or Soft Reset. This restarts SmartCast without deleting your data and clears background glitches. Step 10. Factory reset if nothing works. As a last option, reset your TV to factory settings. Set it up again from scratch. This solves deep system errors. And now, here's a pro tip for you. Try opening YouTube by casting from your phone. This sometimes forces the app to respond and fixes it instantly on your TV. If you still have the issue, comment below and tell me what's happening. I reply within 1 hour and I'll help you fix it. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. We fix tech fast. See you in the next one.